Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to activate speech to text or dictation in Pages on Mac. So go ahead and open up your Pages app. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, if you don't know how to activate, maybe you are new to MacBook and you want to know how, right? You can set this up by going to the system preferences or system settings. Okay. Find keyboard. Inside, you're going to see dictation. Just press it. And here you're gonna see the shortcut. You could choose whatever key you feel convenient with. Okay, you can use left command key twice, right? Or FN or function stands for function key twice. Okay, I already enabled it. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead to the pages now and double click the FN or the function key twice. Right now, what I'm gonna do, let me just go here, double click twice. As you can see, I can just say whatever I want. It can add punctuation, like dots at the end of the sentence, etc. So as you can see, now I can just speak my mind and automatically the MacBook will take that and add it to the pages. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.